Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to update your Samsung Galaxy S5 SMG900F from Lollipop to Marshmallow. Since OTA update is not available for Galaxy S5, so we are going to manually update it to Odin. So this ROM is stock ROM, so it is safe. So let's open Odin. So when this Odin pops up, connect your Samsung Galaxy S5 to your PC. So when the device is successfully connected and connected to Odin, you will see this blue icon or color. So let's locate the update or the ROM. I will not update this one because I already updated it. So select this. Let's wait for Odin to load the ROM. Make sure you're in download mode so that the device will be updated. So it takes too long to read. Sorry for the very noise environment because I'm here in the Philippines, so everything is very noisy. So the ROM is loaded. Click the start button and wait for the device to reboot. So I will not be going to install this ROM because this stock ROM because I already updated it to Marshmallow. So don't forget to like or subscribe my channel, and you can send me requests on how to root or anything else. So thumbs up.